Good morning, one and all. So we have finally gathered down to the business end of this hackathon, where we finally judge the top four teams of their respective problem statements. For today's problem statement, it was certain web development application. Okay. Now, before we start with the judging round, I'd like to introduce our judges. Okay. Our first judge is Mr. Rohan Sawant. Mr. Rohan Sawant is an alumni of SIES Graduate School of Technology. He has worked for Suitex Technologies Private Limited and SmartCow. Rohan is an experienced full stack developer and is well versed with Flask, DevOps, system design, deep learning, and Django. Now, for our second judge of the day, I'd like to introduce Mr. Kushan Sen. Kushan Sen is an alumni of the Conso Rodriguez College of Engineering. He is currently a senior software engineer at Simpress India. Mr. Kushan is an active full stack developer with experience in programming, database, cloud, and the development and maintenance of complex systems. We heartily welcome you all here, and we hope for you all to have a great experience. I'd now like to request Team Bits please, to present their project.
Uh, sure. Just a sec. Yep. Sorry for the noise. All right. Our problem statement is problem statement number one, and I'll quickly share my screen. Now, since we were told to record a video, I did record a video, and so that would make our time like we'll do this very quick. Okay. Dion, what's the time limit for this? Dion?
Yeah, Mayank, the time limit is 15 minutes.
Right. All right. So now the application that we have designed is on React Native, and we have used Firebase as the backend. Now, for the starters, this application we have built is for bare really the person who has no idea about what applications are. For them, we have developed this. Okay, so everything is very simple. The user interface is very simple to understand. I'll quickly start with the video now. As you see, there's a simple registration screen in which I input my name and my email ID, and uh, I input my car number, contact details, and emergency contact details. Okay. Now, using this emergency contact details, what we are doing is we are getting SOSs in case. So, as the problem statement also said, that we need to send messages on there, like give them alerts about mishappenings, if any. Right now, this since we were doing this, we felt that it's very important to spread awareness with this, because when we are dealing with something related to roads and safety, basically, it's very important to be aware about everything. So what we did, we implemented blogging as well. So anyone who wants to share any data, any information he wants to share can share. Also, here you can notice there's a make an SOS button, right? So that button we can use for making SOSs. This SOS button that you saw, this is a basically blog page, and I'm showing you all the blogs that we have created. These are basically uh, information that others want to share. These are the accidents that happened recently. Now, let's say someone wants help very urgently. In that case, we have implemented that accident, so everyone comes to know about the accidents. Now, this is how any person will report an accident. Okay, this reporting of an accident will take place as in the alert said that location has been stored. So the person has to know nothing about what his location is, where he is. Just by a single click, he can get to know where he is, and you can see there's the given accident that I created. Okay. Now, I guess I have implemented here SOS, but SOS took a bit of time that you will get to see after some time. Meanwhile, I have shown the account and leaderboard. So the leaderboard part, what we have done is we have given credits to people who basically they report accidents, and if they are genuine, they will get credits. These credits they after this project, we will get into deployment. We will get that bonus points, that bounty points into working, and they can redeem it at hospitals, at any place, maybe like the places we will get in contact with, right? This is how a simple user can create blogs, delivering his information to each and every person using this application. All right. Now, after this, I guess, okay. Yeah. So now you saw that. Now I just got that Twilio message, and the complete application was. This is what the complete application was. Okay. But this is not it. We have implemented the hospital part as well. That Pratyaksh, if you can share your screen, we can talk about it.
Yeah, sure. Just a second.
Yeah. All right. So this is a very simple sign up page for hospitals, in which the hospital is supposed to enter his name, email address, password. We'll not go into login details. Let's go into the login straight away. Okay. So as the person logs in, he will enter my email ID, MAYANK. 679@gmail.com. Password is 1234567 Okay, very simple password. So once he logs into the dashboard, he'll get to see the emergencies. Now, when you saw the login screen, you saw there was an make an SOS part. That emergencies are shown here, and in the topmost emergencies. Now, let's say I am in an accident, and right now I don't have this much time to open the app, take a photo, and do stuff. That time, what we do, we just click one button, and simply we will get the complete this emergencies thing. This will be the topmost priority for any hospital that we have taken care of. Okay. Now, so here is a field is taken part. So is taken is so we are giving this accident feature to every hospital that this accident has taken place. Now we are also showing that location where person can click and look into whether if the location is near to him and is taken, he can press done, and that location will be taken by him. So this was an accident reported by me. This is my location, and Pratyaksh is able to see my location, my area. Okay. Now, yeah. Okay. Now coming to the send SOS part. So we have given the doctors as well to send SOSs to all the emergency contacts of the car number person, the person whose car number has been registered. We were taking the emergency contact of that person. We are able to send the TDO messages to that person as well. So the way I had shown you in the image and the video, I had shown we can do the send SOS here as well, and the team is open for the questions as well.
Yeah, Pratyaksh, actually there's one part I did not understand is the send SOS button on the hospital page. Can you repeat that once more?
Sure. Pratyaksh, just in a second, what I will do is I'll.
Just a second.
Okay. Pratyaksh is
Yeah. Now we are sending the SOS messages to the emergency contact. Yeah. I guess it's taking a little bit of time.
So I can show you the way we are getting the messages. Okay. So this is how we were getting the messages. So this is there is an emergency at location this involving this person. Please inform the local authorities. Okay. So this is how we were getting messages on from the SOS system. If the node part works well, you'll be able to see an unread message here as well. Pratyaksh, is your internet fine or it's not working?
No, it's a little bit slow. That's why it's taking such time.
I guess that's the problem.
It's okay. I just want to understand what that button is intended for on the hospital page.
Yeah, so basically they can send a message, they can broadcast the message to each and every emergency contact that person has registered. So let's say I have registered 3 emergency numbers. So the emergency number will be sent to the three of our users.
Okay. So that SOS is in order to inform the emergency contacts that so and so person has been taken to so and so hospital. Is that right?
Yes.
Right. Yes. Thanks.
Hey, so I had another question. So in the problem statement, there is a line about maintaining the anonymity of the passenger, passerby, and the victim. So how are you guys taking care of that?
I didn't get your question.
Okay, so am I audible, by the way?
Yeah, you're audible.
I'll just talk a little slower. So in the problem statement, there is a line about maintaining the anonymity of the passerby and the victim for privacy purposes, right? So how does it integrate into this application? How does that? Yeah.
So firstly, a very good question. So now, firstly, we are not taking any contact information of the person because we are just taking their the car details, the basic car number of the number plate number of the person, and we are retrieving his contact details from his particular this number plate itself. So
So initially when during the registration stage where we were taking the number plate of the user who's registering with us, while reporting the accident, if the number plate matches to one of the number plates that are already there with the registered users in our database, then the emergency contact of the registered users whose car was reported to be in an accident would be fetched, and WhatsApp messages would be sent to those people to their emergency contacts. So that is how we're planning on informing the close family members of the registered users.
Yes.
Correct. And maybe another thing you guys could implement is in the problem statement we have the line ki when the emergency when the accident occurs, we have to notify the hospitals which are near the accident place. So maybe you could do some kind of nearest hospitals thing and ping the hospitals which are in like 25-kilometer radius, something like
Yeah.
that.
So,
Yeah.
so for that, we were trying nearby area, and we did reach up for some conclusive thing, but we felt that it's important for um us to know that if we tell the given date given radius of the map, then it would be tough for us to, let's say, if the hospital is not available or is not working right now. Mm, some technical glitches are there. In that case, we felt that it should be given to everyone, and some or the other person will answer the call.
Right.
Got
That is the whole point of having the is taken column. Can you go to the web app, Pratik,
Pratyaksh?
please?
I understand what you
Just a
guys
second.
mean, but what I
Yeah.
feel is there should be basically two sections on the screen. The first section which tells you about the nearby incidents, and there should be another which says something like more results, so that you can attend to some of the or to incidents which are not inside that 25-kilometer radius, like Rohan just mentioned.
Yeah.
Right.
Maybe it can be as simple as a UX solution. You can just sort by radius or something. That would be
Right.
great.
Right. So then what happens is instead of a person in the hospital opening each and every entry and checking that it is whether it is in its vicinity or not, it becomes much more gives a much more pleasant user experience.
That's true. That's true. We will definitely work on this.
So that's all from my side. I don't have any more questions. Great project, great work, guys. And it might have been difficult to complete the app and the website in 24 hours or so. So great job on that. That's all the questions. Nice.
Yeah,
Thank you so much,
it's
sir.
actually really
Thank you.
fantastic. It's a really fantastic job. And if this is it is an I think we have still three more projects to see, and I think you guys have done really well in terms of both the applications. I'm really impressed.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, we've seen how an amazing project that was. These were this the code number of this team was uh, UNS underscore 9. Um, for our next team, we have PSP, which is UNS underscore 7. They will begin the presentation of their project now.
I